have sent the video of poem number 6, the class discussion. I hope you all have understood it very well. So today with our new topic of English grammar and new chapter number 10, main and auxiliary verb. As I have told you in the before also, we have learned before that what is verb. First of all, for learning this topic, we have to know that what is the verb. Actually, we are having 10 total speech. We have, how many we have learned total part of speech? Yeah, how many part of speeches are there? Yeah, first noun, second pronoun, third adjective, fourth conjunctions, then adverb, then preposition. Yeah, so here and last is the verb. Yeah, from this all part of speech we have learned noun. Noun हमने देख लिया, proper noun, noun and noun, their types. Yes, then pronoun we have seen, right? Adjective also done. Yeah, conjunction is before, after that we will learn. Adverb not done. Yes, then preposition is also not done. But today what we will learn? Today we will learn about the verb. What we will learn? Verb. Actually, what is the meaning of verb, that we will see. So let's see what is a verb. What is verb? So first of all, one question comes in mind in all, that first of all, for this topic, for learning this topic, before that we have to know that what is a verb. Yes, I know that you all know what is verb, but we will remind it that what is verb. Yes, so what is a verb? Verb is actually, it is a main part of the sentence. Yeah, so verb is that it is a main part of a sentence, but it has been divided into two different things. Yeah, verb is divided into two different things. What? Action words and state of being. Yeah, action and state of being. In this also what we will use is, I am, her, many things are there that what we will use. And action words means run, sleep, talking, seeing. Yes, these are the action words. How we will apply in this in the sentence, so we will now see that how we will do it. Okay, but in the action which words I told you, run, we do? State of being. That we will feel. हम जो feel करते हैं. Is, are, am, what we are. That shows that state of being. हम क्या है वो हमें notify करता है इसमें. ये हमें बताता है that what we are. Yes. So we will see some examples of the action word and the state of being. Yes. So let's see the action verbs. What are the action verbs? We have seen before that there are two types of verb in there. There are two parts: action verbs and the state of being. What they are, I have told you. What are the examples? But we will see in the sentences how the sentences are formed in the action verbs. So let's see. First point is children reads books regularly. Yes, children reads the books regularly. So here what is the action verb? Reads. पढ़ रहा है वो, कुछ action हो रही है उसकी. Right, that is the movement. Action means to do some movement. Yes. So what the children are doing? Children are reading the books. Yes. Next, Superman is flying in the sky. So here, what is the action verb? Flying. Yes, what it is? Flying. Flying, they are, as I have told, they do the movement. Action means to do some movement. Means here the Superman is flying. Next, I ride bicycle regularly. What? I ride bicycle. So again here, the action verb is ride. Is riding. Chala raha hai wo. Right. Next, Meena is running out of home. Meena घर से बाहर दौड़ रही है. Yes, right. So here again the action verb is running. वो दौड़ रही है. Means यहाँ पे वो movement कर रही है कुछ. Right. So you see that what we use in that verbs: run, play, read, flying, eating. Anything this which action जो movement दिखा रहा है हमें, which words which show the movement in that is known as action verbs. Yes, in this sentences we see that which are the action verbs. First example is reads. Yes, children read books regularly. Second, Superman is flying in the sky. Flying is the action verb. Yes. Next, third is I ride bicycle regularly. So here ride is an action verb. Next, fourth is Meena is running out of home. वो घर से बाहर दौड़ रही है. So running means दौड़ना is the movement. Yes, so by these examples we can know that what are the action verbs. Now we will see that the state of being, what it explains, what it shows. Yes, so let's see what are the state of being. Told that we will see that state verbs and the state or the situation of a subject. It shows or it clarifies that what is the subject actually. Yeah, वो हमें describe कर रहा है, वो हमें situation बता रहा है हमें. That sentence shows the state of being, what we are. That it shows. Yeah, it is the state of being. Right? So now first sentence, and what we feel about. She feels happy today. So here feels. What she feels, what she is feeling, the situation that she feels happy today. Next is I am a boy. You're describing the state of being, what we are. What? In the next sentence, I am a boy. What is the am describing? That person is a boy. Yes. Next, he is a doctor. Yeah. So here he is a doctor. What is describing? That he is a doctor. That person is a doctor. Yes. Next is the state of being. It is describing that he is a doctor. She is a girl. Yes. So here is what it describes. Is describing that she is a girl, and the she is also describing that she is a girl. Yes. Now here she is a teacher. Again here is describing that she is a teacher. What? She is a teacher. Again we will see that she feels happy today. What she feels? She feels happy today what she is feeling? She is feeling that the situation that she is happy. I am a boy. You're the boy. Again, am. Here we can also write that he is a boy. We can also write that he is a boy, but here is written that I am a boy. Here the am is describing that it is a boy. He is a doctor. Here again the state of being is describing that is describing that it is a doctor. Fourth, she is a girl. What it is describing that she is a girl. Again, she is a teacher. Here again the is describing the state of being that she is a teacher. Yes. So now we will see the main topic of our today's topic, main and the auxiliary verbs. Yes. Now let's see that what is main verb and the auxiliary verb. So let's see. Yes students, now we will see that what are the verbs. Verbs are of two types. Verbs may be different parts divided in action and the state of being. We have seen. Right now we will see that there are two parts. The main verb. Here it's the main verb and the auxiliary means the helping verbs. What are they? Helping verbs क्या होते हैं वो भी हम definition through जानेंगे. What are they? Now we will see what is the main. There are two types verbs. They are having two types, main verb and the auxiliary verbs. Now we will see the definition of the main verb. What is the main verb and which are their examples? Some examples also we will see. So let's see main verb. What is the main verb? Words that actually shows the action or activity of subject. Yeah, so what is the main verb student? Main verb means ऐसे words जो actually what they shows वो हमें क्या दिखाते हैं? They shows the action verbs and the subject, that particular subject, their action or the activity they describe, that is the main verb. Yeah, so what they does actually वो क्या करते हैं, उनका क्या काम है? Yes. Now let's see. For example, some examples are given here. That sun shines. So what does the sun do? What does the sun do? It shines. Its work is to shine. Yes. Now second is bus stops. बस का क्या काम है? बस stops anywhere. जब उसका कहीं पे stop आता है उसको रुकना होता है. What does it do? Bus stops. It is an action. What it is the activity? What it is doing? Car runs. Yes. What does the car do? Car drive करती है और run करती है जल्दी से, right? So it runs. It is an action. It shows the activity of that subject. What is here is the subject? It is a car. car क्या है हमारा? Subject. Here in the second sentence the bus is the subject. Here in this the sun is the subject. Yes. Now she plays. What? Here she is the subject. Here and what it is does plays. वो क्या कर रही है? खेल रही है, right? It is an action verb. The activities of a subject. The activity of the subject. Here as the sun shines. Sun is the subject and his work is to shine. So it is an action verb. Main verb. Bus stops. What it is does? Bus stops. Bus is a subject. Next is car runs. What does a car? Car is a subject and what it is does? Runs. It is running. She plays. What she is doing? She is a subject. What she is playing. It is an action, the activity of that subject. Yes, so now we will see the auxiliary verbs. Now we will see that the auxiliary verb or the helping verbs. The last topic of this. Yes. So what is the auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verbs we also call them as a helping verb. What they indicates, what they shows. So auxiliary verb or the helping verbs are used only to indicate the main verb. they are used only indicate the main verb. वो किसके लिए यूज होते हैं? मेन वर्ब को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए ही यूज होते हैं, द ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब और द मेन verbs. Yes, so which are they? Example is, has, do, did, will, shall, may, can, could, might, must. So these are the examples by which we can know that these are the main, they indicate the auxiliary or the helping verbs. Only they indicate the main verb. कौन से verb को indicate करते हैं? They only indicates main verb. What they indicate? The main verb. So these are the examples: is, has, do, did, will, shall, may, can, could, might, must. Yes. So here we see that what are the auxiliary and the helping verbs. Students, you all have understood that what is the verb, how many part of speech we have learned. Yes, and what is the main verb? Verb describes many types. Verb describes the state of being, the action verbs, then the main verb and the auxiliary verb, our topic. Yes, and what they actually mean, what we use in that. Yes, by that we can know that what the actual, the main and the auxiliary means. Yes, the main and the auxiliary verb means. So I hope you all understood it very well. Watch this video very nicely. Till then, stay safe, stay home.